In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel with Booking.com. This is your comprehensive guide to making your travel arrangements quick and easy. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Booking.com and hit Enter. This will lead you to the search results page. Once you're there, look for the first link or the one that lists Booking.com as its URL. Click on this link to navigate to the Booking.com homepage where everything begins. Next, you'll need to either log into your account or sign up if you haven't done so already. Logging in or creating an account is essential as it saves your booking details, preferences, and earns you rewards for future stays. Now, once you're logged in, you might notice the accommodation search fields right away. If not, make sure to click on Stays to access these fields. Here's where the fun begins: entering your travel details. Add the destination where you plan to stay, select your check-in and check-out dates, and specify the number of adults, children, and rooms you require. Being precise here helps find the best options tailored to your needs. Now, it's time to click the search button and let Booking.com do its magic. Within seconds, you'll see a variety of options displayed. You can fine-tune these results using filters. Whether you're looking for places within a certain budget, have guest reviews in mind, or simply want a place that offers free cancellation, these filters make it straightforward. For a more visual idea of where these stays are located, you can choose to view your search results on a map. This feature is especially handy if you're prioritizing proximity to specific landmarks or locations. When you spot a property that piques your interest, click on it to explore further. This page offers a detailed view that includes photos, overview of amenities, guest reviews, and the various types of rooms available. It's important to take your time here and look around, ensuring everything meets your expectations. After deciding on the room type that suits your preferences, go ahead and click the Reserve or Select button. This will take you to the booking page where you'll be prompted to enter your personal and payment details. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and phone number. Payment can be made at this time, or you may have the option to pay at the property later, depending on the hotel's policy. Before finalizing your booking, review all your details carefully. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click on Final Step or Book Now to complete your reservation. And there you have it. You should receive a confirmation email shortly with all your booking information. Keep it handy for your trip, and that's all there is to it. Booking a hotel with ease on Booking.com. Safe travels.